In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a table in Prezi step by step so you can organize information clearly and make your presentation look more polished and professional. Whether you're building a business presentation, a class project, or a visual report, adding a table in Prezi can help you display data in a simple and easy to understand format. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Prezi and open the presentation you want to edit. Once your presentation loads, take a moment to find the exact space where you want the table to appear. This is important because it helps you place the table in the right section of your presentation layout. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen and select the story block option. The story block gives you more content tools to work with, including table features that you can insert into your presentation. After selecting story block, click on table. Prezi will now show you a variety of table styles and layout options you can choose from. Take your time and browse through the different styles so you can pick the one that best fits your presentation design. Once you find a table style you like, simply double-click on it to add it to your presentation. After that, you can begin editing the table so it matches your content. You can update the text, adjust the rows and columns, and make sure the table fits nicely within your slide or frame. If needed, you can always move it around and refine the placement until everything looks clean and balanced. This makes it much easier to present data, compare information, or create structured content without making your presentation look cluttered. And that's it, you've now learned how to add a table in Prezi quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.